Greenie, here is a perfect area to build a new base. Yes, I like it too. Call the team. Yes, Captain. The team is here. There aren't enough building materials here. Captain, look, more materials are coming. Ooh, now that's more like it. Unload. Be careful. What a disaster! What are we going to do now? Greenie, don't panic. Call the crane. It's great that you came. Can you help to lift the excavator, please? Don't forget to use your stabilizers so you don't fall over, just like the excavator. Let's hitch a hook. Lift. Be careful, don't crush me. Hey, Truckee, can you please take the excavator to be repaired? Yes, Captain. Lower it down slowly. Thank you for your help. You're always welcome. Call me again if something else happens. So let's get down to the construction. We've made a great base. There's even a helicopter pad. That's great.